Hey you guys, Andrew Clemens here, signing on. Sorry you guys, I haven't been on, you guys. We had this little problem with my audio. So yeah, um, basically I wasn't, like, I wouldn't be able to record without, doing this thing, because I figured this out, that, if you can hit, your headphones in, um, microphone aux cord plug up, then yeah, you actually have your own microphone and you don't have to buy one. So yeah, now I'm able to record fully and everything, and I think I might have my next video up today. I do not know. Depends on how I feel. So yeah, you guys, see you later. Peace out. Bye.